Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a classic traditional aloo puri, the kind that brings back childhood memories and smells like festivals at home. We start by peeling the potatoes. Once peeled, we soak them in a bowl of water. This stops them from turning brown. After a quick wash, we're cutting them into halves. They cook faster this way and blend better with the masala. For the base of our masala, we are taking fresh tomatoes and a small piece of ginger and putting them in a grinder. Once blended, this forms a nice thick paste that will become the heart of our sabzi. Here are the whole spices: 2 tej patta, 4 to 5 laung, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, a small stick of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, 8 to 10 curry leaves, a few fresh coriander leaves, and just a small piece of beetroot, which we are using purely for the lovely natural color. We finally chop the coriander and slice the beetroot. Next, in a pressure cooker, we heat some oil. Always wait for the oil to heat properly before adding any whole spices. It helps release the flavors better. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and 3 to 4 dry red chilies. Now drop in the whole spices that we showed earlier. Stir them gently till aromatic. Add the curry leaves. They sizzle and pop and smell absolutely divine. Now add the tomato ginger paste we made. Keep stirring this paste and let it cook down until it releases oil. You will know it's ready when the oil starts separating and the mixture turns deep, rich and glossy. Now we will be adding masala. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and half tablespoon red chilli powder. Stir it very well and now toss in the potatoes and sliced beetroot. Stir everything well again so that the masala coats the potatoes evenly. Add a splash of leftover tomato water for extra flavor and moisture. Mix it again nicely. You will start seeing everything come together and everything blending beautifully. Next, we need to add approximately 1/4 liter of water. Then close the lid and cook for 3 whistles. Once the pressure releases, open the cooker and you'll see the gorgeous rich gravy. Now take out the big whole spices like bay leaves, cardamom, red chilies and even the beetroot if you want. We're also cutting the boiled potatoes right inside the cooker using a ladle. No need to be precise, rustic cuts are totally fine. If needed, add a little more water depending on how much gravy you prefer. Now add half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon amchur powder, 1 tablespoon crushed kasuri methi. Stir everything together gently. In a small tadka pan separately, heat 1 tablespoon ghee, add a pinch of hing and half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Once hot, pour this tadka over the sabzi. It instantly lifts the aroma and gives that beautiful red glow. Finish by garnishing with chopped coriander and a few sugar crystals. It balances the heat and brings it all together. Now we are serving it into a bowl. Just look at that vibrant sabzi. This is the kind of dish that makes everyone go for seconds. Now that the sabzi is ready, it's time to make the puris. The oil is hot and we are gently sliding in the first puri. As it cooks, lightly pressing it helps to rise and cook evenly on both sides. Once it turns golden, it is ready to come out. We will continue frying the rest in the same way, keeping an eye on the heat so they don't turn too dark or stay undercooked. Remember, when you slide a puri into the hot oil, you have to give it a few seconds and then gently press it down with a slotted spoon or ladle. This helps it puff up evenly. Even keep turning and pressing lightly until both the sides are golden. It'll help you make a perfect puri. Next, we are serving the aloo sabzi in a bowl, adding fresh puris beside it and completing the plate with a bit of salad and a little mango pickle too. It is a comforting everyday kind of meal that feels satisfying every single time. If you enjoyed this recipe, do give it a try and share it with someone who'd love it too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more such simple delicious recipes. See you in the next one.